daily S-Biology revision task. In today's task, you're asked to produce a summary sheet on the adaptations of plants to the availability of water in their environment. So, plant life on Earth is nothing if not resilient. There is a wide variety of different habitats and different environments on the face of the planet. Some plants are adapted to grow in really dry areas, whereas other plants are adapted to grow in very, very wet areas. Both have different adaptations to help them cope with this. There is a specialised group of plants called xerophiles that survive in very dry regions. Xerophiles can live in these environments because they contain specialised features that help them prevent water loss. It's also worth noting that dry environments are not always hot. People tend to think of deserts as being very dry, but they are, but so is Antarctica. There is lots of physical water there, however, it's all trapped in the ice and the snow, so isn't available to the plants, so can also be considered to be very, very dry. The types of adaptations possessed by xerophiles are very extensive. We'll just focus here on the broad adaptations shared by several different species. The first adaptation has to do with their stomata and limiting water loss. Stomata are the microscopic openings in the leaves that permit gases to exchange, so carbon dioxide to diffuse in, oxygen to diffuse out. The second type of adaptation is focused on storing water instead of just limiting water loss. To do this, plants have developed succulent leaves, plant stems or tubers that can store water when it cannot be obtained directly from the environment. The third type of specialised adaptation used by xerophiles is focused on water intake. Some xerophatic plants have the ability to absorb surface moisture, such as dew, by using leaf hairs, while having extremely deep root systems that penetrate well below the water table. This ensures that even during drought conditions, the plants can still reach usable water. Hydrophiles are aquatic plants that are especially suited for living in aquatic environments. In order to survive, a hydrophile is also known as an aquatic macrophile. They must either be completely submerged in water or in some cases be allowed to float on the surface of water. Aquatic plants can usually be categorized into four main types: floating plants, deep water plants, marginal plants, or oxygenating plants. Hopefully this video should have helped you complete your daily revision task. Please subscribe so you can keep up to date with other videos to help with your daily revision tasks. You can follow me on Facebook or follow me on Twitter to help you keep up to date.